Okay, today I have crunchy chocolate chip cookies for you. This is my favorite cookie recipe turned into really crunchy cookies. These are so good, you're going to love them. Listen to how crunchy they are. These cookies start with dry ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk those together until they're nice and smooth, and then you're going to mix together 1/2 of a cup of unsalted melted butter with 1/2 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Mix that together until it's nice and smooth. Add in 1 large egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using an egg yolk instead of a full egg helps them get nice and spread out, as well as that milk helps them spread so they'll be nice and crunchy. Once those are stirred in, you're going to mix in the dry ingredients, add in 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, and stir those together. Once you scoop them onto your cookie sheet, they will spread. You're going to bake them, no chill time needed. You can hear how crunchy they are. They're thin and delicious. These are so good. I know you're gonna love them. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what other cookie recipes you wanna see, and keep watching for even more desserts.